In this quick video, we're going to see how we can create a surface starting from two curves in Blender. And we're going to use two Nurbs curves like Nurbs like in Rhino. So let's get started. I'm going to create here a new general scene, and we don't need everything that it's in here. We're just going to delete. And also I'm going to apply here screencast keys so you can see what's happening in the mouse and what I'm going to do. So I'm gonna add the first curve, and it's gonna be either a Bezier or a Nurbs. You can do whatever you want. So let's go for a Nurbs curve, and that's the first curve right here. So I can now rotate this, and then I can move it in another position. So this is gonna be like the starting point of the surface, and then we can put another one for the end point. I can also copy this, so I can just do Control C, Control V, and put this on the other side. So this will be kind of a pretty simple extrusion if I join these two curves together. I'm going to create a surface with these two. It's going to be just a simple extrusion. So I'm going to try to do something a little bit more interesting. So I'm going to also rotate this, and let's get into edit mode. And when you use Nurbs curve here, you have control vertices. So you can take those control vertices, move them around. And if you're having problems with this stuff, you can check the Blender video course and also other video guides. Okay, so what I want to do also, if I want to do something more, I can extrude this, and I can choose the axis what I want to extrude by holding the middle mouse. So I can go like down with the Z. Okay, and then I can perhaps take this other one and do something also here. Press E for the extrusion quickly, or you can right click and extrude, curve, and move. So, and there are other ways. Again, there are other videos explaining this stuff. Okay, so we have more interesting curve in a way. And same thing, I'm gonna go here, and let's go to edit mode, extrude this. Let's say I want to extrude on the X like this. Again, press the middle mouse, or you can also press X. So you can press the axis where you want to go. Okay, so you can see these are two different curves. You can do whatever you want. Again, I'm not going to explain too much about curves in this video, just the simple tool, and the rest is explained in other videos, how you can create and edit curves. And then we have also Blender video courses. So what I'm going to do is select the two, and once they're selected, I'm going to do Control J, which is going to join the two together, or right click and join. And once they're joined, all I need to do is right click and convert this to mesh, and then switch to edit mode. And you can see we have a bunch of points, and we select all those points like this, or you can go also up here, select all, and then we just press F as for fill, and that will fill up that space. And you can see something strange is happening. Why? Because we don't have enough segments, we don't have enough subdivisions, so it's turning out to be a little awkward. So how we can fix this? Well, there are many ways, but the quickest way you can do this is right-clicking and then start to subdivide. The more you subdivide, the more points you will have on this other direction here, and the better this surface will look. And now we have our surface, which can become, anything you want, and could be a shingle, could be a piece of an armor or whatever. But remember, this is just a surface right now. If you want to make it an actual solid, you can use the Solidify modifier. So go to the modifier panel, search for Solidify, and then apply it. And this will make it an actual 3D object, which is kind of heavy right now because I've added a little too much, I think, of points, but you can see it's working. So this is a way you can create quickly a surface with two curves, starting from two Nurbs curves in Blender, similarly to what you do in Rhino. But if you're interested in Rhino, also Grasshopper, and other Nurbs tools, you can check the courses. So this will be all for this video. Please join the channel to support us, and also you can subscribe, just subscribe. But if you join, you can support us and we'll also get some videos in preview. Thanks for watching and see you in the next